This is a brand new 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, traction control and stability control systems, tinted glass, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Stoops Buick GMC is located at 1251 Quaker Boulevard in Plainfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. Professional grade and American made.